Guys, in my hand, this is the Kamots Beauty massage gun. Why do you need a massage gun? Well, if you work out like me, you run, you pull up, you do dips, you do exercise. When you exercise, your muscles are gonna get sore. They're gonna build up the lactic acid, and you need a massage gun to help release the stiffness, the muscle aches, the soreness. A massage gun like this is perfect. And there's so many massage guns on Amazon. I want to find one that fits my need. This one has 12 different massage heads. It has 12. It has so many different variety of massage heads right here. It can take care of pretty much all the muscles in your body because you have so many different massage heads to work with. You got your typical charger right here, and here is the actual massage gun. This one is a little bit heavier than most massage gun, but it has a really good battery life. It has a 6-hour battery life. It's a good weight to it, built well, it's compact. It's really heavy in the center, which gives you a better grip because it's just good leverage to use the massage gun. So how do you use this massage gun? There's an on-off switch at the bottom. If you switch it on, you'll see here this green light indicate that it's powered on. Right here, you have a nice, beautiful LCD screen. This one over here indicates the speed. Now, if you turn it on, that's speed number 1. You can increase the speed as it ramps up. There are very fine increments of speeds, right? We're at 12, 14, 15, 16, 17. So you have very fine increments of speed. It goes up to a speed of 30, which is actually equivalent to 3,200 RPMs. That's 3,200 revolutions per minute. Over here, you have the battery life. So it's very quiet. You can hear it. You can hear that? Very quiet. And the vibration is on the head, not so much on the hand where you're holding it. Let's go ahead and turn this thing off right now. Let's put on one of the massage head. And remember, there's 12 different massage head. And I'm just gonna go with the classic one. Whoa, there's so many massage head. I'm gonna go with the classic one right here, just a ball massage. And to install it, you just push it on, and that's it. Now to turn it on, like we said, the power is already on, so you just hit the power button right here. Starts at level 1, and you can apply the pressure wherever you want. Oh man, it really releases the soreness, and it feels really good. When you work out and you build up lactic acid in your muscles, you want a massage gun that helps relieve that tension, that soreness, and you can increase the speed, just like we talked about before. Let's go up to like 15. That's like in between, right? That's like a medium speed. Oh my gosh, you can see the difference right there. It's working the muscle, and we can go way to the maximum. I don't think I'll ever use that max. Whoa, wow, the maximum massage is a very different feel. It's actually really relaxing. This is something that a human can't do. You need a serious machine like this Kamots Beauty massage gun to get this amazing action. Very relieving, very good for muscle soreness and stress and just aches on the muscle. This thing is awesome. Of course, I'm just using it on my arm, but it works anywhere. It works on the shoulder. It works on the chest. It works on this other shoulder. It works on your thigh right here. Everywhere, everywhere. You can apply this anywhere you need. And of course, there's different heads for different parts of your body. There's 12 different head attachments, so there's so much variety. This is the massage gun that has it all, guys, and it's incredible weight, incredible battery life, and the LCD screen in the back. It just looks so good. So as you can tell, I'm a fan of the Kamots Beauty massage gun right here, guys, in silver. It looks good too, right? Yeah, it's a good massage gun. If you're gonna work out, you're gonna owe it to yourself. Get yourself a massage gun. You're gonna need it, and you're gonna love this one.